हेलो हेलो, मैं यहाँ प्रीमियर में बिजी हो गई यार। थोड़ा मुझे आधे घंटे का वक्त दोगे? 5-15 मिनट का। लेकिन मैं भिजवाऊंगी कैसे? ओबी भी नहीं है। नहीं है मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
सर, सावरिया में आप लोग आज क्या देखने आए हैं?
मैं फिल्म देखने आया हूँ जी, और क्या देखने आऊँगा? सावरिया पिक्चर ही देखने आया हूँ ना। नेक्स्ट से अगेन।
कितनी खुशी में।
Yes, I'm very proud father. Thank you.
Wonderful moment. Your son is stepping into a world you've inhabited for so long. How does it feel just watching him take his first steps into this?
Well, any parent would be very happy to see any sibling as well. And we are both looking forward to see Ranbir hit the screen. I just wish and hope that everybody likes him. And that's it. Neetu wants to say anything?
I'm very excited, and I just hope everybody gives him all the love and blessings. That's all.
We are looking for good wishes from everybody. Thank you.
That you've got. That you've got.
Thank you.
Have you seen anything on the film?
Thank you.
Yes, it's fabulous.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Good luck.
बेहतरीन है.
Please,
Thank you.
हिंदी में
Thank
बताइए,
you.
please. Sorry, sir.
चले काम करेगा मेरे साथ वो जिसके साथ वो काम करेगा उसके काम से खुश
Just, it must be such an emotional
in terms of film, in terms of co-stars, in terms of producers, in terms of everything, fans, well-wishers. I want that, she becomes much bigger than me. That's what every father would want.
Padmani ji.
She should become much bigger stars, much bigger. They should achieve much more than what I have achieved. And whenever they never worked with him, they missed it. That's what I want her to be. And she should.
रेखा जी आगे थोड़ा। रेखा जी पीछे।
सबसे पहले तो आज वो दिन आ ही गया जब बेटी का प्रीमियर है और एक पिता देखने आए।